Another iMachining enhancement in SolidCAM 2020 is the option to modify the maximum cutting angle allowed in the Stepup toolpath for iMachining 3D. With my example part opened, let's take a look at the updated stock for the first operation. In looking at the toolpath, we can see iMachining performs 2 step-downs, and we can also visualize the step-up steps that are performed. With each higher step, as the axial depth of cut gets smaller, iMachining automatically increases the cutting angle. I'll open the Operation dialog box and switch to the Technology page. In the Rest Rough Step-Up group is the Max Cutting Angle option, which enables you to override the maximum default value for the operation. The maximum cutting angle permitted by the iMachining technology is 80 degrees. This is the default value for soft materials. For hard materials, on the other hand, the maximum default value is reduced to 45 degrees. So, for example, if I change to a harder material in my operation, we'll see the max cutting angle is now 45 degrees. I should mention, as a safeguard, it is recommended not to increase max cutting angle more than the given default value. Let's take a look at the effect of modifying max cutting angle. First, I'll revert back to my original material, which has a default max cutting angle of 80 degrees. Let's look at the toolpath again for this operation. Now, I'll reduce the max cutting angle to 40 degrees, for example, and then I'll recalculate the operation. We can clearly see on the uppermost step that, along with a reduced maximum cutting angle, we also get a smaller step-over range.